Sweet, salty, crunchy, and packed with peanut butter flavor. These peanut butter cookies have it all. They're crisp around the edges, slightly soft and tender in the center, and topped with crunchy salted peanuts. My fellow home bakers, you have to try this ultimate sweet and salty treat. And the best part, they're so easy to make. Alright, let's bake. Let's start by mixing 100 grams of softened unsalted butter, 180 grams of light brown sugar, and 140 grams of crunchy peanut butter in a mixing bowl. Of course, you can use smooth peanut butter if you prefer. Beat on medium speed until the mixture is pale and fluffy. As you can see, the mixture is nice and smooth. This creates a deliciously flavorful base for our cookies. Add the egg and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then continue mixing until everything is well combined. For the dry ingredients, sieve in 185 grams of all-purpose flour, a quarter teaspoon of baking powder, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Sifting really helps distribute the dry ingredients evenly. Now what you need to do is to gently mix everything together with a spatula until a dough forms and there are no dry ingredients left. As you can see, I'm using a gentle fold and press motion. This helps incorporate the dry ingredients into the wet mixture more easily without over-mixing the dough. Once you can't see any dry ingredients left around the sides of the bowl or any white strips running through the dough, you know the dough is ready. To make the dough easier to shape, we need to chill it. Cover the bowl with cling film and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes or until the dough feels slightly firm to the touch. Towards the end of the chilling time, preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius fan and line the baking sheets with parchment paper. The dough has been chilling for about 30 minutes. It should feel slightly firm and be much easier to shape. Scoop out about a tablespoon of dough and roll it into a ball. Just like this. Then place the dough balls onto the prepared baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each one. Gently flatten each ball with your hand until it's about 1 centimeter thick. Then roughly shape each one into a round disc. They don't need to be perfect. I actually like the rustic look of these cookies. Do you? For the final touch, sprinkle the tops with some lightly crushed salted peanuts, gently pressing them into the dough so they stick. This recipe makes around 28 cookies, so if you can't bake the whole batch at once, here's a little tip for you. Once you have finished shaping the cookies, you can freeze them on a lined baking sheet until completely frozen. Then transfer the frozen cookies to a freezer bag and store them in the freezer. Whenever you are ready for freshly baked cookies, just bake them straight from frozen. Simply add a few extra minutes to the baking time. Now let's bake our cookies. Bake in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius fan for 15 to 16 minutes or until the edges are lightly golden. Oh wow, the kitchen smells amazing. And look at these cookies, they look so good and smell incredible. When they first come out of the oven, the cookies will still be soft, so let them cool on the baking sheets for about 10 minutes. Once they have had the chance to firm up, carefully transfer them to a wire rack and let them cool completely. And there you have it. Delicious peanut butter cookies with crisp edges, a tender center, and a lovely crunch from the salted peanuts. They are the perfect combination of sweet, salty, and nutty in every bite. I hope you give these cookies a try. Here's the recipe. Go ahead and take a screenshot now so you can save it for later. And if you want more delicious cookie recipes, comment the word cookies below so I know to share more of them with you. Please like and share this recipe with your friends and family, and make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new recipe. I would love to have you join me as we continue baking together. Looking for another delicious cookie recipe? Click the screen to watch this one next. I'm sure you will love it. Happy baking, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.